The pancreas could be a key organ, and on the off chance that it doesn't work appropriately, it can genuinely hurt our well-being. Why ought we keep an eye on its well-being? What startling issues can emerge from pancreatic maladies? In this video, we'll investigate the capacities of the pancreas, distinguish signs of potential issues, and examine nourishments advantageous for keeping up the well-being of this significant organ. The part of the pancreas. This organ is essential for both the stomach-related and endocrine frameworks of the body. The pancreas secretes chemicals basic for processing proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Its discharges make a gently antacid environment, neutralizing the overabundant stomach acids. This avoids burns and irritation within the dividers of the duodenum when nourishment enters it. In this manner, any disturbance within the generation of pancreatic chemicals definitely leads to provocative bowel maladies. Within the endocrine framework, the pancreas is mindful for creating two hormones: insulin, which brings down blood glucose levels, and glucagon, which raises them. This controls glucose digestion system based on carbohydrate intake from food. Additionally, makes a difference within the capacity and generation of vitality essential for the body's capacities. Thus, the well-being of the pancreas is crucial for the by and large well-being of the body. We're presently planning to conversation approximately potential issues with the pancreas and why they can be challenging to recognize. Pancreatic illness. The most common issue with this organ is pancreatitis, a really guileful illness. Pancreatitis can be acute or chronic, but in both cases, it's effortlessly mixed up for other ailments. Intense pancreatitis presents with heaving of bile, torment within the upper, cleared-out portion of the midriff, and possibly jaundice. Numerous of its initial symptoms are indistinguishable from intestinal harming. As a result, individuals frequently do not realize they're encountering pancreatic issues and fizzled to look for crisis restorative care. In any case, such care is crucial because amid a pancreatitis flare-up, the useful tissue of the pancreas can quickly break down. Another issue is that the indications may vanish on their possess after the intense stage, driving people to accept they've basically had a standard case of food poisoning, not realizing the earnestness of their condition. In the meantime, the pancreatitis doesn't disappear, but or maybe moves into its unremitting shape. In this state, the infection advances gradually, with the utilitarian pancreatic tissue being supplanted by connective tissue, unavoidably driving to a decay in its work. This comes about in stomach-related problems and thyroid gland issues, eventually contributing to the improvement of diabetes. Side effects of the infection. There are a few signs to be mindful of. First, there's pain within the cleared outside and now and then a wrapping torment that expands to the back, in spite of the fact that this will also demonstrate kidney issues. Second, occurrences of harming, particularly in case they happen occasionally without apparent causes. Third, distress within the stomach after eating greasy nourishments, which may show gastritis or an exacerbation of an ulcer, but moreover focuses to potential pancreatic issues. Fourth, is unformed stool with undigested nourishment pieces, especially in case this issue endures over time. Fifth, weight changes. With this sickness, weight can both increment and diminish as a rule went with by persistent weariness. Lastly, constant abdominal bloating may be a side effect. As you'll be able to see, all these signs of pancreatic aggravation are nonspecific, but the rise of indeed one warrants prompt restorative consultation. As it were, a healthcare proficient can precisely analyze pancreatitis, recognizing it from other maladies with comparable indications. Causes of the disease. The essential causes of pancreatic brokenness are connected to way of life and eat less, customary utilization of fatty foods and quick nourishment, as well as liquor admissions are major supporters to pancreatic diseases. Stress and hereditary qualities moreover play a noteworthy part. Given the association between pancreatic harm and diabetes, it's important to be alert to indications like consistent thirst, standard sentiments of starvation, tipsiness, sleepiness, and the scent of acetone during urination. These are signs of diabetes. that require an examination of the pancreas and other gastrointestinal organs. Foods for pancreas well-being. Any harm to the pancreas can lead to serious consequences and may require long-term and now and then long-lasting treatment. To ensure this organ, it's critical to include foods in your slim down that bolster its well-being and usefulness. Number 1, pumpkin. Pumpkin is one of the foremost advantageous nourishments for the pancreas and liver. This vegetable is wealthy in vitamins, minerals, and carotenoids, which are powerful cancer prevention agents. Carotenoids diminish irritation and avoid cell passing. Eating pumpkin doesn't bother the organ. It makes a difference superior digest fats, diminishes weight, and progresses digestive processes due to its tall fiber substance. You'll make a nutritious and solid pumpkin porridge. Prepared or steamed with other vegetables, pumpkin makes a difference. The body cleanses itself of poisons and other destructive compounds, guaranteeing the smooth working of the pancreas. Number 2, Jerusalem artichoke. Including Jerusalem artichoke in your diet can offer assistance, normalize metabolic forms, and alleviate inflammation within the pancreas. The juice of this tuber is known to anticipate the development of diabetes and atherosclerosis, which are common complications related with pancreatitis. Number 3, blueberries. This berry is invaluable for individuals with diabetes. Blueberry leaf tea and new berries contribute to bringing down blood glucose levels and fortifying pancreatic function. Blueberries are regularly utilized in various herbal mixtures, aiding and reducing irritation in the pancreas, cleansing the liver of destructive compounds, and making strides bile secretion. In cases of intense pancreatitis, it is exhorted to expend blueberries, as it were, in a pounded frame prepared through a meat grinder and after being cooked. Number 4, turmeric. This flavor has strong against inflammatory properties. It invigorates the generation of effront in adequate amounts, making a difference to avoid the advancement of diabetes. Moreover, turmeric helps anticipate the formation of gallstones, which are one of the causes of pancreatitis. Number 5, red grapes. Red varieties of grapes are a fabulous source of resveratrol, a capable antioxidant that protects cells from the harming impacts of free radicals. Resveratrol strengthens blood vessels, decreases irritation, and combats cell passing and pancreatic cancer. Number 6, yogurt. Yogurt contains probiotics that boost the safe framework and upgrade the functioning of the gastrointestinal tract. To preserve pancreatic well-being, it's advisable to expend low-fat yogurt that's free from counterfeit colorings, flavorings, taste enhancers, and other added substances. Normal and comprehensive restorative checkups are crucial for early detection and treatment of well-being issues. Dismissing conditions like pancreatitis can have genuine results, possibly shortening one's life expectancy and decreasing quality of life. Early discovery regularly allows for treatment with pharmaceutical, but more extreme cases of pancreatitis might require surgery. Have you ever confronted such issues? How did you overcome this ailment? Share your encounters with us within the comments underneath this video. What are your considerations on this subject? And to guarantee you do not miss out on modern enlightening recordings, almost well-being and lifespan, subscribe to our channel. Keep in mind to tap the bell icon and select to get all notices. Wishing you well-being and lifespan.